If you're experiencing login errors on Binance, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues step by step. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as these can prevent successful login. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 3. Verify two-factor authentication. If you have two-factor authentication 2FA enabled, make sure you are entering the correct verification code. Check your authentication app or SMS for the latest code and ensure it hasn't expired. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact Binance support. If you have tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to Binance customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Binance. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.